Are you gifted? How many gifted do you have in your class? Actually, this question cannot be answered reliably. No one decides if someone is gifted or not, not even the gifted himself, because giftedness could be latent or visible and active. According to Giftedness Cloud model, giftedness could be latent. May take latency status in someone until he or she shows interest in the subject, provokes their attraction's powers. Active. Interest gradually turns into a passion that attracts mental, emotional, and social abilities. The more interest forward to passion, the greater attraction of the core of giftedness and the harnessing of the individual's abilities to crystallize their talent. The GCM model assumes that the giftedness has 4 types, as follows. Giftedness of mastery, in which gifted has 3 or more talents in different fields, and giftedness energy is distributed over several different talents. This type is located at the 3rd level of the model and receives a small amount of giftedness energy. So giftedness of mastery is more prone to fading or latency because of its far away from the core of giftedness. Giftedness of excellence, in which a gifted has 2 talents in different fields, and the giftedness energy is distributed over several different talents. This type locates in the 2nd level of the model, and therefore it's less prone to fading or latency compared to the giftedness of mastery. Giftedness of a productive creativity, in which a gifted has 2 talents or more in the same fields, where giftedness energy is concentrated, mastered, excellenced, and produced creatively product. This type is in the 1st level of the GCM model, so it's less fading than others. Giftedness of manifestation, in which gifted has 1 talent in which he or she focuses all of his giftedness energy, mastering and produced creatively product, and his or her giftedness is reflected in innovation. The talented has reached the essence of giftedness with his or her talent. This type is located in the core of the giftedness of the model, and the probability of fading it's the lowest than others. GCM model assumptions. There's a continuous dynamic, ecological, psychological interaction of giftedness, and the environment does not affect the giftedness directly, but through a medium of abilities, mental, social, and emotional. Family, school, work, and electronic environments affect the abilities of talented, and that reflected on his or her giftedness. Giftedness is positively influenced by the supportive environment and also influenced by the environment and its obstacles, and that depends on the forces of attraction to the core of the giftedness. If the forces of attraction are weak, the frustration of the environment could kill the interest and giftedness become in the status of latency. If the forces of attraction are strong, they resist obstacles of their environment as follows. A positive overcome which serving gifted and his or her community. That will happen if the gifted has strength and balance in emotional and social aspects in addition to the harmonious passion. A negative overcome which harming the gifted and his or her community. That will happen if the gifted has problems and imbalances in emotional and social aspects in addition to obsessive passion. The GCM model supposes that talent is administered by giftedness and is explained by the assumption that the giftedness has energy radiated across orbits to feed talent. In other words, the model assumes that the giftedness is the spirit of the talent, which supplies it with energy to express itself.